I'm speaking to Ruto, our president we love, because we are all hustlers, right? Yeah. And we are hustlers, we are in a hustler country. So me, I'm talking like a Kenyan on behalf of other Kenyans we have. We have one cry. We are all hustlers, and we don't have the money we are being called to pay. Who can pay 150 in one day? Because now we've been told all the 3,000 bars are going to be closed this week. And they are being closed because we are being called for arrears. We're knowing very well we have a case in court. We respect the High Court in Kenya and we respect the law. And we have not refused to pay, but we are going to pay under procedures of the court. Members, we are all hustlers. Are we in one language? Yes. So if our president would hear us, we know he can hear us. He can, because he's a hustler like us. That is if our governor is not hearing us. That's the cry we have, that we elected a president under Kenya Kwanza, a hustler. Very knowing very well we don't have money. And we have not refused to pay, but we are going to pay in the